Dear Secretary General Antonio Guterres, dear Director General Chung Dong-yu, dear representatives of the Secretariat of the Mountain Partnership, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen. I am sincerely glad to welcome all the participants of the closing ceremony of the International Year of Sustainable Mountain Development, which was adopted by the United Nations at the initiative of President of Kyrgyz Republic, Mr. Sadir Japarov. During past 25 years, Kyrgyzstan has been actively working to attract the attention of the world community to the mountain protection agenda that has been one of the priorities of our country's foreign policy. In this regard, Kyrgyzstan is taking consistent steps in the UN and other international fora to advance a global agenda of the sustainable mountain development. Today, the mountain countries are suffering from global warming. The inhabitants of the mountain regions every day face such problems as lack of water, threats to food security, increasing poverty, limited access to the most basic services, including education and health care. In this connection, last December, Kyrgyzstan and Italy initiated a draft resolution. Sustainable mountain development was adopted by the General Assembly with the co-sponsorship of 110 UN member states. As you know, this resolution proclaimed the 5-year action for the development of mountain regions. In this regard, I invite all the international stakeholders and their partners to jointly develop a global action plan for the resolution practical implementation. We sincerely believe that our common initiatives and activities will contribute to raising not only the environmental but also the economic and the social levels of development in the mountain countries. I also call on all participants of the ceremony to continue addressing enforcement problems which require joint urgent efforts. After all, the consequences of inaction will affect all countries without any exception. I would like to underline that the difficulties mountain countries face now should not remain the problems of their own. The common efforts to solve mountain problems should be taken by the entire world community. We all have an obligation to protect and preserve mountains and their ecosystems for future generations. Thank you for your attention.